Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're taking a look at the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1, a budget-wired gaming headset that's been praised for comfort and good sound under $60. But is it really worth it in 2025? Let's break it down. Reminder, all the gear we talk about today is linked in the description, so scroll down if you want to check it out for yourself. The Arctis Nova 1 is light, just 236 grams, with a stretchy ski goggle headband and memory foam ear cups that feel soft and breathable. It sits lightly on your head, and even after long play sessions, it doesn't feel too tight. It's built with solid plastic, not metal, so it's not super rugged, but it doesn't feel cheap either. You get controls you need right on the ear cup, a mic mute button, and a volume wheel, plus a retractable mic that hides when you don't need it. Inside are 40mm neodymium drivers, the same size used in higher-end models. In tests, reviewers say it has clear sound with a good balance of mids and highs, but bass is modest, so explosions and deep notes don't hit as hard. On PC, the headset supports 360-degree spatial audio, making directional sounds like footsteps more noticeable. But it still sounds like a budget headset overall. Tom's Guide notes it sounds better on PC than console due to lack of USB output and EQ support. The built-in Clearcast Gen 2 mic captures voice clearly and filters out background noise. It's not a studio mic, but it works well for game chat and calls. Players who tested the headset on Switch, Xbox, PS5, and PC say it plugs in and works right away. No software setup needed. On PC, the spatial audio makes footsteps more directional. Great for shooters. Reviewers at Tom's Guide and Tech Radar say it's decent and serviceable for its price, though it lacks deep bass and advanced features. Tech Radar sums it up as a solid starter headset for $60. It's entirely wired, no Bluetooth or USB, so you're always tethered. Build-wise, some users mention possible issues with headband screws coming loose over time. The soundstage is narrow, so audio doesn't feel the widest or most immersive. Pros include comfortable and lightweight design, clear, balanced sound for the price, good mic with noise cancellation and easy to use, plug and play with 3.5mm jack. Cons include weak bass, explosions, and deep tones lack punch, wired only, no wireless or USB option, some build durability concerns over time, and a narrower soundstage. Not the widest audio spread, the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 1 is a reliable, budget-friendly wired headset perfect for gamers who want comfort and decent quality without spending much. It sounds good on PC and console, has a strong mic, and sits lightly on your head. Just don't expect booming bass, wireless freedom, or custom EQ options. If you're looking for an affordable starter headset, this is a solid pick. But if you want wireless, bass-heavy sound or more durability, you might want to explore models like the Arctis Nova 3 or Nova Pro. If this review helped you, smash that like button. New here? Subscribe and ring the bell. You deserve the best gear tips. Out of your top 5 tech moves this week, this one's one of them. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.